clearly a lot of the collection of all of this massive data that's sort of exponentially exploding around people, around things, around organizations is only valuable once you can really separate the signal out of the noise. Talk about some of the examples of work that we're doing to help customers, our clients, do that kind of thing.
I would argue that there are not a lot of companies doing this, but the companies that are very sensitive to their brand and what their brand means to customers more so than anyone are on the leading edge of this. So as an example, we're working with a beverage company, and they have built a solution that on an hourly basis sweeps the entire internet globally for all mentions of their numerous brands. And it's looking for the intersection of their brand with issues or events or influencers to try to determine what their next best action should be. So in this particular case, this company sweeps the internet on an hourly basis. They take that information and dump it into a structured data model. We then run 3.2 million algorithms on an hourly basis against that data model. And through a MicroStrategy layer, we then send out a bunch of reports on an hourly basis to their marketing end users that help them understand how trends are changing as relates to their brand in an issue, their brand in an event. This ability to use social media as an analysis tool to predict or understand what action you should take is really going to be a powerful way that companies can transcend the way they operate and respond in real time to issues. And then sometimes companies were responding and making an issue worse. And so sometimes
when they were swamped by the noise, when they couldn't see the real signal.
They couldn't see the real signal.
They couldn't make the right decision for the business. They were just, it was the fog of war for them.
Exactly. And so now you'll be able to see the real trend line about what's happening. And the trend is your friend.